everyone, this is Ray with Dent Paintless Dent Repair in Vancouver, Washington. Today I'm doing a repair on a 2016 Volvo S60. Quarter panel has damage to the dog leg and upper area. Take a look. Here we have the large dent. It's about 4-inch dent right on that body line there, as you can see. And we move up. There's also a crown right in this area. See if I can adjust the light so you can see that. Now all this is going to be repaired paintlessly. That means no paint, no sanding, no Bondo. Might take a little while, a few hours or so, but I'll get back to you with the aftershot. Alright, and here we are, completely done with the repair process. Let's take a look. Here we're using the reflection board to see if there's any damage that is missed. This looks really clean. Let's take a look at the natural view here. Natural reflection. As you can see, there's no dent, there's no crown there to be seen. This is a really great repair. This came out great. If you guys are in the Vancouver, Washington area, give us a call at 503-862-3368. Thank you guys for watching.